All right, y'all. This is Eli. Proper way of using a B-Tank 101. Even though B-Tank piece of shit, I hate B-Tank. Too much heat.
I'm telling this. You need like easy with it. You clean it real good.
Clean it real good. There you go. But he good. He good at the motherfucking B-Tank, man. He real good at that shit. I'd rather use the oxygen acetylene. I'm gonna show y'all that in a few. But here we go. B-Tank 101.
You think I can cover this hole?
You should be able to. Well, oxygen acetylene, I know you could.
You can, or make it more hole.
Make another hole? Yeah, I make a big hole with that acetylene, boy. Put your finger in it. All right, I got you. Eli, I'm gonna hold this motherfucker all the way down here. How you want it? Like that? All right, Eli got this motherfucker. That motherfucker getting hot. Yeah. A lot of heat, y'all. A lot of heat. More fire.
Coming, Daddy.
It's coming. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Let's get close up on that. Check out the technique, y'all. Uh-oh. You got it hot, Eli. Little fire.
Can you twist it?